Hey everybody, just wanted to show you guys our contraption we put together to turn this ginormous redwood log that is so heavy I don't know what to do with it. So what I did was I didn't have my friend here today to help turn the cant hook. So we, as you can see here, hooked the cant hook to my winch, and we did it once. It started working, so let's try this out and keep it on video, see how it goes. Oh shit, excuse my language, but that's pretty burly. I gotta keep my eye on this. We should stand over here. Oh, it's coming off. It's coming off the cant hook.
Okay, what do you want to do? Let it out?
Yeah, let it out. Alright, I'm gonna... Got that much of it turned with it that far. So I think I'm gonna continue on with the cant hook, put it more vertical again, and do it again.